My name is Scott Moreland, M-O-R-E-L-A-N-D. I'm the fire chief for Helotes Fire Department.
What do we have out here tonight, sir?
Well, we had a deck that caught on fire after barbecue reignited and pretty much burned the deck off the back of the house with a little bit of damage to the exterior of the back of the house and a little intrusion into the living area.
Are the residents going to be displaced tonight?
The residents will probably be displaced tonight. They have a contact that they're going to be taken care of.
Okay. You have an approximate maybe a damage amount that's done to the house?
It's hard to tell at this point. Mainly the damage was to the back of the house and the deck area and along the facade of the house. It's not livable at this point, but I'd estimate it somewhere in the range of $25,000 to $50,000 worth of damage.
Copy that. Okay. And you guys get a pretty quick knock on it and get it taken care of pretty quickly?
Yeah, our firefighters got an excellent knockdown on it. We had it under control within 5 minutes of arrival at the scene.
Perfect. And any injuries, anything like that, pets?
Thank goodness, no injuries. Actually, their dog alerted them to the fire on the back patio, and the resident obviously woke up, saw it, and got everybody out of the house pretty quickly.
That's good. That's good. I think that pretty much covers everything. You got anything else you want to add in
No,
there?
that's it.
All right, perfect. Thank you very much, Chief.
You bet.
And